natural. You're about to see the best evidence we've gathered, and we'll let you decide. Sunday, January 13th, 6:15 p.m. Chautauqua County Dispatch is inundated with calls about a loud boom shaking houses and rattling nerves across the southern part of the county. Viewers in Jamestown, Lakewood, Busti, Kennedy, Delavan, Asheville, and elsewhere told News 4 the deep rumbling noise sounded like thunder, cannons firing, or an explosion. Lakewood Busti police offered this official explanation the next day.
The explosion that people heard originated on Lawson Road in the town of Busti. An individual that had put a charge together with a little over 18 pounds of tannerite while target shooting.
However, since that original boom, there have been sporadic reports of similar booms and shaking in Chautauqua County and beyond that have not been explained. In the southern Erie County town of Evans, Police Chief Ernest Masulo confirms they experienced a boom on Friday, January 18th.
Approximately 4:23 in the afternoon, we started receiving phone calls of a loud noise. Some of the people on the call described it as an explosion. Some described it as a boom.
911, what's your emergency? Yeah, hi. We don't know, actually. There was a really loud boom. It sounded like it come from the back of our house. We just heard it here at the town hall, but we have no idea what it is.
Could you please tell me, did you hear that noise?
Yes, we...
Loud explosion?
Yes, we did.
I don't see anything. It just, like, scared the heck out of me.
We have a one-person deals in explosives. We called him. We have a gentleman that works for the, we have the gas wells in the area and the oil, and no one on that day was doing anything.
Loud booms. Large trees in front of his house snapped in half.
Booms.
Some bizarre noises.
Some strange noises heard around the world the last few weeks.
There is now audio proof.
And these phenomena are not unique to Western New York. People all over the United States are hearing and feeling mysterious loud booms. Investigative reporter Linda Moulton Howe began investigating them in 2011. Just since October, Howe has documented booms in 25 different regions across the country.
That people would describe as being something that shook either their bottoms of their feet, their legs, their houses, their windows. Many of the current reports have been that something is coming from the sky.
Some of these booms have been accompanied by huge bright flashes of light, including this one, captured by a security camera in Salem, Massachusetts on January 5th.
If you go down here...
According to Dr. Mark Kastner, director of the Brown-Ruddock Seismograph Station at Canisius College, booms can be associated with a lot of things, including an earthquake, a quarry blast, a building implosion, or
a sonic boom generated by an aircraft flying at supersonic speeds.
Seismographs record visual evidence of these vibrations. At the same time, they're almost always recording what Kastner calls seismic noise.
When the wind comes up, and that causes trees to sway in the wind or buildings to sway in the wind, that actually induces movement in the earth.
Under ideal circumstances, the signatures left by earthquakes, sonic booms, and explosions can be distinguished, but it's not always easy to tell them apart.
If you have a windy day and you have an earthquake that is very weak by the time it gets to us, one is going to mask the other.
Which is making some people wonder what's causing the rest of the booms. Is something bigger going on that even local authorities and scientists aren't aware of?
We did check all the specific flight times. We did not have any aircraft in the air over that area at that time.
There was not an earthquake. There was not a mine collapse. I didn't even see any quarry blasting going on.
And we're unable to come up with any plausible explanation on what the noise was.
The geologists say it's not in the ground. The Air Force says it's not in the air. The astronomers say it's not from space. So we're running out of options.